up those pieces on your designated areas. And if none, you may now take your seat. Okay, so last meeting I gave you an assignment, right? And I only listed 30 of you who submitted it. And for those who still did not submit it, you can now post it in our G class with the code 042MJ200. Okay? So now, before we proceed with our main topic, let's have a quick recap or recall of what we have discussed last meeting. But before that, for you to be able to remember our topic, kindly read these statements first. So who would like to start? Yes, Jackie. Read the sentences and give us our topic last. Yes.
Einstein was born in Germany. However, he became a U.S. citizen in 1940. The truth, learning a new language is fun, but on the other hand, it takes a lot of time. Maverick was injured in the war. He was unable to play such a game.
So what did you notice about the highlighted words? Yes, it connects the two given ideas. And our topic last meeting is all about signal words. Very good. So to make our discussion more interactive and interesting, let's have an energizer first. But before that, know that every recitation and correct answer is equivalent to star which corresponds a point. So make sure to be active and participative. So our energizer or activity is called match check. So here's the instruction. Did you notice the pink sticky notes on your desk?
Yes.
So there, you are going to write an opinion. Your opinion can be about education, about poverty, about LGBT, anything as long as it's your own opinion. And then you are going to get the marking signals I have pasted under your desk. Can you look at it, class? Don't see it, just touch it. Feel it if there's paper under your desk. Okay, so there you are going to write anything as long as it's your opinion in the paper, and then later on you are going to check if it matches the marking signal I have pasted under your desk. Did you get it, class?
Yes, ma'am.
You are going to write anything, your opinion in that paper, and then you are going to match it with the marking signal under your desk. And if it doesn't match it, you can swap with your classmates until you found the perfect match. For example, I have written there that education is very important for me to be financially stable. And then the marking signal I get is I believe. And then it is a perfect match. I will give you 30 seconds to write anything. Any opinion on your paper. 30 seconds. Okay, last time is up. Did you already written any opinion in that paper? Now you may check the marking signals under your desk. If what you have written matches the marking signal, you can just say match check. If it doesn't, you can swap with your classmates until you found the perfect match. Just yell match check.
Match check.
Okay, can you stand it and share it in front of the class? Yes, Jessica.
Education for me is for all, not only for the rich.
So what's the marking signal you will get?
For me.
So the sentence is, education for me is for all, not only for the rich. Okay, very good. Because of that, I will give you 1 star. Who else? Yes, Miss? Kindly share it in front of the class. activity is called vocabulary check. But first, I will divide the class into four groups. Kindly count 1 to 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 1. Number 3, si Eliza. And number 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. So kindly form a circle per group. Group 1 will stay here, group 2, group 3, and group 4. So I need one representative each group to get your writing board here and pen in front. One representative of each group. How about group 3 and group 4? Group 3 and group 4. So group 1 will be named Group Venus, group 2 will be Group Mars, group 3 will be Group Earth, and last group will be Group Jupiter. So kindly read the instructions class.
Complete the missing letters inside the box to form a word by reading the clues. Afterwards, come up with the meaning of the word and use it in a sentence.
So all you need to do is write the answer on the writing board, and then you are going to raise your stick and shout your group name. The first group who do so will be the first one to answer and will be given a point. And if their answer is wrong, the other group might steal. So where's the group Venus? Group what? Where's group what? Group Venus, group Mars, group Earth, and group Jupiter. Okay, so the first word is Queen expressed her of the new policies by disobeying them. So the synonyms are bitterness, dissatisfaction, and bad feelings. My instruction is that raise your stick and shout your Jupiter. Okay, look Venus. What's your answer? Resistance. Okay, very good. But let's try another. Mars. Okay, Mars. Okay, so this answer is resentment. So based on how it was used in a sentence, who wants to give its definition and try to use it in a sentence? Based on how it was used in the sentence, who wants to give its definition? You did it for us, not my group. Just who wants to share his or own ideas about its definition? Okay, I will just give its definition. So when we say resentment, it is a feeling of envy or displeasure. So who wants to try to use it in a sentence? Yes, Miss?
His resentment is overflowing.
His resentment is overflowing. So what group are you?
Great.
1 point and 1 star for group Earth and 1 star for group Mars. Okay, next word is her altruism is a she cares only about herself. So the synonyms are apparent, outward, and appearance. Yes, group Earth. So the answer is C. So want to try singing in a sentence? Yes, Miss Jacqueline. You sing it in a sentence. Yes, Silver, do you have any idea? Just use singing in a sentence. Appearing to be real or true, but not necessarily true so far. Yes, Erich, have something in mind. Share it in front of the class. Yes, just try. So is her correct? Is sentence correct, class? Yes. Okay, so what group are you? Group B. Okay, next word is Melanie wanted to express her life of love. So the synonyms are view, belief, or target. So the answer is that's it. So who would like to give its definition? Yes?
Sentiments or opinions or personal points.
Okay, very good. When we say sentiment, it is a view of or attitude toward a situation or event and an opinion. So I want start for group. Next one. We looked and she died of the beach. Synonyms are three. Yes, Mars? So the answer is astonishment. So when we say astonishment, it's a feeling of great surprise and wonder. And for the last one, yes, group three. Gleefully. Very good. So the word is gleefully. When we say gleefully, happily and with excitement or pleasure. So that's the end of our activity. What group are you? So that's the end of our activity. So please bear these words in mind as we are going to encounter them later on our reading selection. So class, do you have any idea of what we are going to discuss about today? Yes, Miss Jessica. Very good. So our topic for today is all about opinion marking signals. But before that class, I want to share with you what are expected of you throughout our discussion. Kindly read.
At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to define opinion marking signals, identify different types of opinion marking signals, recognize opinion marking signals used in written and spoken communication, and use opinion marking signals to express their own opinions in writing and speaking.
Okay, class, before we proceed with our main agenda, I have here our class rules, and I want you to all follow these throughout our discussion. So now let us proceed to our reading selection. Alright, before we proceed with our reading selection, I have here we are going to read a very unique yet touching story. But before that, I have here questions that I want you to answer after reading it. So kindly read it, class.
What is the moral of the story?
So you have to listen carefully and analyze the story for you to be able to answer this question later on. So I will be giving your materials. Group 1 or the group B? Group 2 or the group Mars? Group Earth and group So today we are going to read a story entitled All Summer in a Day by Ray Douglas Bradford. So do you have any idea about this story, class? Do you have any idea? We're going to unravel this story. So first
when the sun last appeared. While they are watching the rainstorms gradually abate and waiting for the appearance of the sun, the children talk to each other. Margot describes the sun to the other children as being like a penny or fire in the stove. The other children, being too young to have ever seen it themselves, accuse her of lying. They show their resentment at her seeming superiority.
Next group. Group A.
One of the children named William claimed that all Margot's sentiments are practical jokes, and he doesn't believe that the sun will come out. Just before the sun comes out, William rallies the other children, and they lock Margot in a closet down the tunnel. The teacher arrives to take the class outside to enjoy their hour of lunch. In their astonishment and joy, they all forget about Margot and quickly rush to play outside, savoring every second of their newfound freedom.
Lastly, group Jupiter. One,
Evening is the rain again, and the children start crying once they realize they won't get to see the sun again for another 7 years. The children run back inside as the sun disappears and it starts storming. At this point, one of them remembers Margot. They let her out of the closet and stood frozen, ashamed over what they had done. They finally understood what she had been missing. Finally, the children remember the sun, but for Margot, it is too late. She must wait 7 years to see it again.
Okay, so Margot needs to wait again for another 7 years before she able to get to see the sun. So let's go back to our question earlier. Who wants to answer that? What is the moral of the story? Who wants to try? Yes, please.
What I understand is that we should appreciate things while they are alive.
Yes, very good. So, despite of the isolation and negativity she faces, Margot still see the bright side and the importance of hope even in the face of darkness. So, to test if you truly understand the story, let's answer this following question. Who led the other children to go against Margot? Yes, you first. Who led the other children to go against Margot? Yes, William is the one who led other children to go against Margot. For second question, where did they lamb Margot? Yes? They locked Margot in the closet down. Yes, they locked Margot in the closet down the tunnel. And for the last one, why do you think the other children treat Margot the way they do? Why do you think the other children treat Margot the way they do? Yes, Captain. Yes, they love Margot because they think that she is lying above the sun. So let us now proceed with our main topic this morning, which is the opinion marking series. So when we say opinion, it refers to personality. When we say opinion, it tells us about how someone feels, thinks, and takes a stand. Our opinion was were influenced by our personal experiences, our personal knowledge, our emotions, and perceptions. And remember, class, our opinions, others may agree or disagree with our opinions, but they will not prove or disprove. So take a look at this picture. So take a look at this picture and how do you feel about the children? How do you feel about the children? Yes, Jessica. How do you feel about the children? answer this question. Why do you think the children are sad? Why do you think the children are sad? Yes, thank you, Ryder. I believe we are sad because we can't play outside. So, what can you notice about the words? What can you notice about the underlined word class? I feel, I hate, and I believe. I feel, I hate, and I believe. Yes, please. Yes, these words express our personal opinions. That's why our topic is all about opinion marking signals. When we say opinion marking signals, these are group of words that introduce opinions and will help us express and identify opinions. So opinion marking signals are usually written at the beginning of a sentence. For example, I feel bad for Margot because he didn't get the chance to see the sun. So I use the opinion marking signals. I feel bad for Margot because she didn't get the chance to see the sun. So we use opinion marking signals when we express our own personal feelings. And another example, we use maybe. Before that, who wants to give another example using the opinion marking signal? I feel. To talk about personal feelings. I feel. Yes, in turn, you want to share? Use the opinion marking signal. I feel. To express your personal feelings.
I feel bad myself because I reviewed very hard, but I still failed.
Do you feel bad for doing your best but still didn't get the perfect score? Very good. Another opinion marking signal is maybe. Maybe the other children are jealous of so we use the opinion marking signal maybe to express mere possibility. We use this to express mere possibility. So who wants to try giving sentences using the opinion marking signal maybe? Yes, yes. So you're giving positivity that if you have time, you will enjoy the moment. And next, we also have I hope. I hope that after 7 years, Margot will be able to see
Naiintindihan namin yung cellphone mo kahit hindi malinaw.
Desire and expectations. That's why
Pag pinakinggan mo ito mamayang gabi,
desire. Okay, who wants to give another example? Yes, Jackie.
Mayan, tinatawaran nila yung cellphone mo, Mayan.
So you are expecting to pass your grammar subject. So class, take note of the different opinion marking signals. We use opinion marking signals in different purpose and in different manners. So always be cautious and be mindful in using these opinion marking signals in writing sentences and expressing your own opinion. So do you have any question about our topic for this class? None, ma'am. Okay. To test if you really understood our topic, let's have an quick activity. I just want you to give your own opinion using the phrases or the words we have discussed about. So who wants to give his or her opinion about this picture? Okay, now who wants to try? Just give your own opinion. Yes? I think that means So what's the opinion marking signal you use in that sentence? Okay, very good. Next picture. Yes, Jessica. You hope to achieve your goals in life. So that's expecting or hoping. Next picture.
Paano ko isa mo? Sa imo, sa email. Kaya ang haba.
Maybe that is for it's not for next one.
Video. Magagawin sa akin.
Yes.
Namin naman yan. Try YouTube.
Yes, Silver, you want to say something? Just share your own opinion using the marking signals we have discussed. Yes? Yes, she believed that corruption is one of the crime in the Philippines.
Yes.
And last one. Who wants to try? Yes?
Ay, sorry.
Vanessa?
Kaya sabi naman,
Let's now proceed with our fourth activity, which is the multi-station activity opinion making exercise. So before that, here is the rubric that will guide me in rating your performance. And I will let each group to rate other group in one of the criteria in our rubric, which is the cooperation and discipline. So your groupings will be the Group Venus, Group Mars, Group Earth, and Group Jupiter. For Group 1, kindly read your activity. Be carefully with pictures and different opinions study. List as many as you can using calculator. For Group 2, listen to the video clip. List all the opinion marking signals listed. List as many as you can. For the Group 8, read the passage.
With different opinion marking signal, analyze the text and list all the opinion marking signals used.
And for the
Write an opinion essay. Use the different opinion marking signal. The topic is about technology. Be guided on the question, is social media a positive or negative force in society?
Okay, so group 1 will do compare and contrast. Group 2 will listen to the video clip.
Sa the picture naman.
I will provide the video problem. And for group third, you will identify all the marking signals in the essay. And for group 4, you will write an opinion essay using the opinion marking signal. So you will now start doing your activity.
When you start doing
I will give you 5 minutes to do the activity.
May alam ko yung ano ba? Ay, ay, yun nga. Sabi ko, ikaw yun. Akala ko ako lang nakarating. Training pa siya. Kasi ito, wala na rin. Katapos ako. Ayan na. Kay Jackie Chan yan. Ay, oo. Jackie Chan. Meron siyang yung mga friend ko. Oo, yun. Alam mo ako na, wala niya kung saan ko napanood. Sa bus. Late naman ako sa mga
1 minute left.
Kung alis nag-start, Kakaalis natin ka rin. Hindi, 8:22 nandito na kami. Tingnan ko yung oras kaninang gabi. Tama na yun. Hindi na realize ko lang
Okay,
yung
time is up.
ay, oo, kay Ma'am. Ay, God. Kaya pa naman.
Okay, time is up. We will have group winners for their performance. Please proceed to the
Mama, ano? Pwede ka may yung ano yun.
Very good. So the next group, we have group winners. You may now present your output to your performance. Group Mars, ma'am. Okay, very good. For the next group, group 3.
In this text, we have found the new marking signals. I believe, I am certain, in my experience, it is their music. Many tourists think they take the view that I cannot deny that I am music, and lastly, I am convinced.
Okay, very good. And for the last group, group Jupiter.
The question given to us is social media positive or negative? We believe that social media is both positive and negative. Maybe
Yes.
if people...
Nung last year, pa'y ko man nakagraduate. Last year, pa'y ko man. Tika batch ko ang kada Daylin Santos. Di ba, nanganak kasi ako nung tapos hindi ko na tapos yung mga subjects ko kay Sir Ronnie. Tapos kasama na yung math dev. Tapos inulit ko na lang.
muray ko sudan. Di at least.
Pero tapos ka na magpipili mo.
Tapos hindi kami nag-illegal access noon.
Ay,
Kasi pinayagan naman kami noon. Yun naman ang mali nila, pumayag kasi sila.
na.
Mag-illegal access ay mo, yung mga may ano.
Deficiency.
Oo.
Hindi na kasi pwede na yan.
Kaya nga.
Ano na siya.
At least man pinalitan na. Hindi ako awan nga di-enroll ko next sem mo. Ako nalpasan, PT lang ako kayo ko.
I will also give you perfect score for content and theory. And for the last group, I will also give perfect points for the content
Baka
and theory.
mag-expect mo na yun.
In group 1, kindly rate group 2 for the cooperation and discipline.
Lahat ba? 2A? O 2B maiwan? Hala, ang dami.
Di ba lang sa valuing na siya?
Eh, mapasit ka na. Tuloy ka lang.
Okay, so that's the end of our discussion class. So sharing opinion is very important for several reasons. Spending it
Sayang, ma'am. Ang laki pa man din yan.
Sharing opinion is very important for
Ito yung nahulog.
Hindi ba meron namang tape na mabdikit pala?
Ma'am, yung tape ko kahapon na alam mo yung dumikit talaga sa pati dun sa may papel. Malipat ako kami na nagawa. Yung tape na yung...
Api, bago ka nag-demo mo nakita din na text.
Ma'am,
G-text nga pala.
hindi ma'am, grabe yung kami naka-jacket kita ako. Tapos na mading nga mabasa ko na manyak nag-focus dyan, nag-focus sa timasterin. Practice akong grabe yung ganabig ka. Pinibaya ako ng sumulagay
Pero maiisip mo.
Opo, yun.
I have learned
Kasi dahil
that
nagkaya.
Pero habang nung ginagawa mo pala, dapat maisip mo ngayon.
Nagbayat kami ng kita mo, hantay mo print, isoras na binibaya ako. Lesson learned. Hindi, pag nasa monitor kasi siya parang ang ganda. Kaya print hindi ko.
Saka yun yung sinasabi ko, ako kasi yung sa principle of practicality. Kasi ikaw kung ano mo din consider mo na quality students part of your responsibility to prepare IMs. Sa pagtuturo. But then again, you also have to consider number 1 time. Number 2, yung economic side, yung finances. And then number 3 is of course the preparation. So, kumbaga, kung pagtutuunan mo ng ano talaga, yung principle ng
Okay, time is up. You may now pass your papers and I will be the one who will check later.
Bukas ka kabong mo ti IM mo.
I will be the one who will check.
Pero pwede naman yung bang naman, pero magagamit mo ulit.
Oo, yun na. Oo, maganda nga yun. Actually, yun nga dapat ang recommend
And
mo.
okay, for your
Yung pwede mo
assignment,
ibigay sa akin.
I will post it later on.
Kaya kasi yun pa yung isang tinitingnan ko, yung actual material na yun, ay hindi na sorted. Parang kumbaga, it's one time sorting lang yun. Yun din ang